Welcome to the ultimate general knowledge quiz. You'll get 20 questions, each with 4 options. Let's begin. Question 1. Which bird has the largest wingspan of any living species? A. Andean condor. B. Wandering albatross. C. Marabou stork. D. Dalmatian pelican. The correct answer is B. Wandering albatross. It can reach wingspans up to 3.5 meters, the widest of any living bird. Question 2. Which bird species is known to use tools in the wild with the highest sophistication? A. African gray parrot. B. New Caledonian crow. C. Magpie. D. Kea. The correct answer is B. New Caledonian crow. They craft hooks and modify twigs, showing intelligence rivaling primates. Question 3. Which bird can fly at the highest recorded altitude? A. Himalayan griffon. B. Common crane. C. Ruppel's vulture. D. Beheaded goose. The correct answer is C. Ruppel's vulture. One was recorded at 37,000 feet, higher than commercial aircraft. Question 4. Which bird species has the fastest diving speed on record? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Golden eagle. C. White-throated needletail. D. Red-tailed hawk. The correct answer is A. Peregrine falcon. Its hunting stoop can exceed 320 kilometers per hour, the fastest movement of any animal. Question 5. Which is the only known bird with nostrils located at the tip of its beak? A. Kiwi. B. Ibis. C. Shoebill. D. Cassowary. The correct answer is A. Kiwi. This adaptation enhances its sense of smell while foraging in leaf litter. Question 6. Which bird is known to have the highest tolerance for extreme dehydration, surviving water losses of over 25% of its body weight? A. Sand grouse. B. Emperor penguin. C. Ostrich. D. Roadrunner. The correct answer is A. Sand grouse. Sand grouse can endure intense desert heat and dehydration levels that would kill most vertebrates. Question 7. Which bird has the highest number of feathers on its body? A. Trumpeter swan. B. Tundra swan. C. Emperor penguin. D. Snowy owl. The correct answer is A. Trumpeter swan. It has more than 25,000 feathers, the most of any bird. Question 8. What is the heaviest bird capable of flight? A. Cory bustard. B. Great bustard. C. Andean condor. D. Mute swan. The correct answer is A. Cory bustard. Males can exceed 18 kilograms, the heaviest birds able to take off unassisted. Question 9. Which bird has the strongest bite force relative to its size? A. Hyacinth macaw. B. Palm cockatoo. C. Raven. D. Thick-billed parrot. The correct answer is B. Palm cockatoo. Its beak can generate forces exceeding 400 psi, used to crack hard nuts. Question 10. Which bird uses sun compass navigation, adjusting for the movement of the sun? A. European robin. B. Homing pigeon. C. Indigo bunting. D. Arctic tern. The correct answer is B. Homing pigeon. They combine magnetic field sensing with time-compensated sun compass orientation. Question 11. Which bird is known to have the most elaborate and diverse courtship dances? A. Superb bird of paradise. B. Greater sage grouse. C. Wilson's bird of paradise. D. Red-capped manakin. The correct answer is A. Superb bird of paradise. Its dance includes shape-shifting plumage displays with synchronized hopping. Question 12. Which bird has the fastest level, horizontal, flight speed? A. Golden eagle. B. Gray-headed albatross. C. Common swift. D. White-throated needletail. The correct answer is D. White-throated needletail. It can reach speeds up to 170 km per hour in level flight, the fastest recorded. Question 13. Which bird can stay airborne the longest without landing? A. Alpine swift. B. Common swift. C. Frigate bird. D. Wandering albatross. The correct answer is B. Common swift. Some individuals remain airborne for up to 10 months without touching ground. Question 14. Which bird species can mimic over 200 natural and artificial sounds? A. Lyrebird. B. Hill myna. C. Raven. D. African gray parrot. The correct answer is A. Lyrebird. It can copy chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, and dozens of bird calls. Question 15. Which bird has the largest egg in proportion to its body size? A. Kiwi. B. Ostrich. C. Cassowary. D. Emu. The correct answer is A. Kiwi. A kiwi egg can be up to 25% of the mother's body weight, the largest ratio in birds. Question 16. Which bird has the most powerful talon grip? A. Bald eagle. B. Harpy eagle. C. Golden eagle. D. Stellar sea eagle. The correct answer is B. Harpy eagle. Its grip strength can exceed 50 kgf, strong enough to crush bone. Question 17. Which extinct bird was the closest relative of the modern dodo? A. Rodriguez solitaire. B. Great auk. C. Elephant bird. D. Moa. The correct answer is A. Rodriguez solitaire. Both were flightless island pigeons sharing a common ancestor. Question 18. Which bird is considered the most intelligent bird based on problem-solving tests? A. Kea. B. African gray parrot. C. Clark's nutcracker. D. New Caledonian crow. The correct answer is A. Kea. Kea outperform even corvids in multi-step puzzle-solving experiments. Question 19. Which bird produces the lowest frequency call among all avian species? A. Emu. B. Southern cassowary. C. Whooping crane. D. Great bittern. The correct answer is B. Southern cassowary. Its booming calls can dip below 20 Hz, near the edge of human hearing. Question 20. Which bird has the highest known heart rate in flight? A. Hummingbird. B. Swift. C. Bee-eater. D. Sunbird. The correct answer is A. Hummingbird. Their heart rate can exceed 1,200 beats per minute during hover feeding. That's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.